mission in Liguria is to taste something that is, it's difficult to describe. So imagine like a pizza meets a pancake that meets a flatbread. Well, basically it's farinata di ceci. It's like this pizza pancake flatbread of chickpea. We are in La Spezia, and this place has been around for over a century. Now let's go, it's packed, so let's wait until we get to sit and order farinata di ceci.
We made it in. And we were served already.
Yeah, the way we like to ask for things when we don't have an opinion, I would say, is whatever you, just do it like you would do it. And so she was very excited. And she's like, okay, I will show you. I'll take care of it.
And so she did. I think we should show them what we have here.
How do you eat a farinata? Because we didn't know in what shape or form it would come. So basically what they told us, it comes in 3 slices, which looks like this.
She got the plain one, I got the one with onions, and then we're obviously gonna mix.
And then,
Let me show you what else they bought for us.
farinata is also served with other things like cheese and, of course, pesto.
So she goes, you just put them on top. But I think we should.
Yes, but I just wanted to show you. They asked, would you like how much wine? We said, just the table wine, half a liter. And Benny said,
do we have faces of somebody that drinks half a liter of wine? So she laughed and she goes, I love you girls. And so cheers to a liter of wine that we're gonna finish.
yes, she always has half a liter by herself. But let's have this little conversation. What is farinata? Farinata just simply means made of flour, okay? And as I was saying before, there is no specific definition.
No, it's very difficult to
There's
do.
no specific definition, but what we can tell you for sure are the ingredients, which are very simple and very few. It's chickpea flour, water, extra virgin olive oil, which is one of the key ingredients of Liguria. They're very, very famous for their olive oil, and salt. Then you can add other ingredients, and that is it.
Very simple, as most Italian dishes are.
Yeah. Let's try it, and then there's a really fun story.
Okay, let's try it. So you see it's sort of crispy on the outside and super soft on the inside.
It's thin. It's on one side, the bottom is sort of soft, and on the top side, it's crispy. Wow. We're supposed to eat with our forks.
No, it's very good.
I think I like mine better.
I like yours better too.
The plain one.
I like yours better. Completely different. Much better, but napkin please. I'm gonna tell you the story because the history behind this dish.
It's so much fun.
It's so much fun. So, as most great things in life, farinata also was discovered by
Accident.
Accident is the right word. So around the 1200s, there's a naval battle between Genoa and Pisa. Okay, Genoa won, and on the way back there was this massive storm, and so the barrels of olive oil that they were transporting with the bags of chickpeas broke, and they fell and they mixed with the seawater. Okay, and it created this disgusting little mush. But back then, people were not picky. I mean, people were starving. So what did they do? The sailors put this mush under the sun to sort of dry it out. And they actually enjoyed the flavor of it. And then when they got back to Genoa, made the recipe even better. They perfectioned it, and now it is staple to here. It is farinata, belongs to Liguria, and I think it's very good.
No, it is great. And what I love about it, I get super excited, is when a dish is absolutely inexpensive. And this is also, for all you gluten-free people out there, this is also gluten-free. And so it has this fun story, but actually this is a legend, true or not, who knows, but we love it. I love the story. I get excited when I hear this. But the actual first written document about the farinata dates back to the 1400s when, what was it?
When the Republic of Genova actually forbid the use of cheap olive oil in the making of farinata. Now, how amazing is that? I mean, really, in the 1400s. Talk about foodies.
Benny, you continue talking, okay?
Well, I think there's nothing more to say.
We're just doing it as the locals, as you always have to do it as the locals do. Because this, I had no idea that.
No, but this is really good. It's fun to make. It's good to make. And buona. I like yours better. I'm gonna steal some of yours. Farinata di cicci.
Oh, but wait!
What?
We didn't talk about the place we're at.
Oh.
You see, just because she wanted to steal mine.
I wanted to steal them. I'm so hungry.
We came to this place. Obviously, the local guide that we interviewed, she told us, oh, you have to go here. So, again, you see? Oh no, we said that we were at La Spezia. We're at La Spezia, and when we told her that we wanted to go to this place, not to this place, we wanted to have a great farinata, she said, you have to go to La Pia Centenaria. Pia is the name of a woman. I'm trying to look back at my notes because I wrote the date. So this woman called Signora Pia, she created this like little shop in 1887, you guys. Not a shop, it was just a place
Just a
where...
little hole in the wall where she served farinata, focaccia, and another typical to just
To the workers.
To the workers.
Because this is the food of the poor. I love the food of the poor.
It is the food of the poor.
And it wasn't until like the after World War I when the richer people said, let's go to Signora Pia's restaurant. And this is actually the one that we're at because she has, obviously...
She has 6 now, so she's
I mean,
her next generation.
Yeah, they opened other places, but we are at the place where it all started in 1887.
Can you imagine? Just with something so simple as this, serving a 4-ingredient recipe to people that for very, very few cents could actually eat something healthy because chickpeas are super
At the
healthy.
end, this is very healthy.
It is super
it's a
healthy.
very smart and healthy way of eating legumes. Okay, now you can finish saying, because I'm going to finish mine before you.
Buon appetito.
Buon appetito, and this is
Farinata di ceci.